La da 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 da, la da 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 da, la da 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 da, la da da.
Welcome to my channel, Let's Explore. Today, I'm going to show you the amazing sky from twilight until dusk. Look at the blue sky. It's breathtakingly beautiful. Now here comes the dusk. It's the darkest part of twilight, just before night begins. Now the sky is so blue and the moon shines so bright. So amazing. Hello guys, look at the sky tonight. It's 7:30 in the evening here in Hong Kong, and look at the sky. It's so amazing. It's blue. Look at that, and the clouds. So
As you can
beautiful.
see, the buildings, the white clouds, the blue skies, and the trees. It's so picturesque. It's so amazingly beautiful.
Look at the sky. It's so beautiful. With its blue color, plus there's moonlight. 3 days from now, it's going to be full moon, and the sky is very nice tonight.
Actually, it is still dusk time. Dusk, it is the darkest stage of twilight, a stage before nightfall. There is still little light from sunlight after the sunset. But as you can see, there is moonlight already because the moon is already there, up there in the sky, and it's shining so bright, relieving our anxiety and stress. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Give a thumbs up